ifconfig is the main command used to configure networking-related parameters on all Linux systems. Now here's a list of a few examples, just to give you a head start. To display the interface configuration, use pound or hash ifconfig eth0.
To turn on or off the interface, hash ifconfig eth0 down or up. To configure an IP address or default subnet mask, hash ifconfig eth0 192.168.1.2. To configure a non-default subnet mask, hash ifconfig eth0 10.1.1.2. netmask 255.255.255.0.
Now to add a default gateway to the Ethernet 0 interface, hash route add default gateway, put in the IP address eth0. To change MTU for a network interface, hash ifconfig eth0 MTU 1000. To enable promiscuous mode, hash ifconfig Ethernet 0 promisc.
To disable promiscuous mode, hash ifconfig eth0 promisc. And to change the MAC address of the network interface, hash ifconfig eth0 hw ether, and then the MAC address.
Now, according to the Linux naming scheme, the first hard drive is called the Dash Dev HDA. Any other partition will have the same name, but with increasing numbers. So if we have 3 partitions, they're going to be called Dev HDA1, Dev HDA2, and Dev HDA3.
The Linux hierarchy might seem hard to understand for the first time. Well, the first few times. That's why you'll need to learn it well and once for all distros. The / is the root directory. Everything falls under this directory. In Windows, a path will look like c:/x- folder. In Linux, there will be no partition specification /x- folder.
Now the same command that you use under Windows, or cd, is also used under Linux to change the directory. After navigating to a certain directory, you can type ls for list to view the contents of that specific directory.
So here are some commands you should know. / is the root directory. /bin is essential command binaries. /boot are static files for bootloader, kernel, and initial ramdisk.
/dev is the device file. /etc is the host specific system configuration. /home is the user home directory. /media is the mount point for removable media. /mnt is the mount point for mounting a file system temporarily.
/root is the home directory for the root user. /srv is for data files for system services. /tmp are temporary files. /usr is the second hierarchy and non-essential read-only data. /var are variable data files. This includes full directories and files, administrative and logging data, and transient and temporary files.
That's right. A lot of things to remember.
Yeah.